we are back. 3 days and counting down. And we take our vacation.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Just wanted to show you the end result of she got new shoes now and she's so happy. So happy. Here they are. Trans Eagle tires.
Yeah.
They said that these are like
Tractor trailer tires.
tractor trailer
They're
tires.
really heavy duty.
So I wanted to say
14 ply.
14 ply. And I wanted to say the people who did it, their name is Texas Tires.
Yep.
Here in
Wichita Falls,
Texas. And we give them double thumbs up.
Oh, man.
Professional. They even stood out in the road and stopped the traffic so we could back the rig up to get out.
Unbelievable.
Quick service. They were very gentle in lifting the rig to take the tires off, change the tires fast. Double thumbs up. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Texas Tire.
Yeah.
We appreciate it so much.
Baby got some new shoes. Woo!
So there she is. So she's ready to go, and
We're ready.
we're ready. All we gotta do is put our stuff inside her, and in
Yep.
3 days,
Yep.
we out. So we'll see you on the next vlog on the road.
Hey, make sure you subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and share. If you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up. Share the love.
Share the love, not the hate.
Yeah.
We'll see you in 3 days.
Ciao, ciao.